Hi guys, welcome back to tutorial days, and in this video we are going to work on edit section. We have already worked on insert, view and delete, and this time we are going to work on this edit section. Okay, so for that let's do one thing. Let's create a function here in our controller called edit. So public function edit, and then public function edit. Here need to call this here we will have to pass data. Edit. We will create a file called edit. Inside view. Here edit.php. And inside edit it will be almost similar to create. Okay, so application, views, and then create user. Let's copy it as it is and then paste here. So inside this it will be similar. So edit user, and then that will be update. So when we click on this one, edit, this page should open but filled with it, and apart from that there should be no error. And here we will pass. So here it is not required on this one. Okay, so what we are going to do, it is more of like $get ID. If you are from PHP background, then you know this. So we are fetching the ID here. Okay, so how you can see it is segment 3. So when we go to here, this is segment 1, this is segment 2, and this is segment 3. So that is why we are patching. Here you can see this ID is segment 3, this is 2, and this is 1. So when you write here segment 3, that it means we are getting ID here. And now registration model, then get by ID. This a function we will create into our model file. So public function get by ID, get by ID like this. And then the code here will be $get where registration ID. So it is more of like select star from ID, select star from registration where ID equal to this ID. So up to it is returning. So this ID contains all the data here. And now this same data we are passing here. So this error should not unexpected. Model line number 36. Model this one. Oh, line number 36. This one. There will be another one for class, the main class. That's fine. However, why it's coming 2 times? Inside registration is controller. Oh, load view. But it's not required because we are loading here data. This data is not loading here. Okay. Now it's fine, but the data is not displaying here, so we will have to write here inside edit page, this one, value php echo dollar f name php close. To fetch the data, we need to actually write here a code, extract this one, so extract user, so extract this registration. So in our case there will be registration, extract registration. Okay, then this will work. Yeah, it's now coming, and then similarly value name email okay. So as you can see, now the data is coming filled with. So when we go to here, now let's try to edit this one. So now the data is of Umar Rahman is coming. When you click on this one, then you can see the data of Rajesh is coming. So here to this button name should be changed to update user. Update user. So when we'll click this one, then it should go to update. So I'll show you in the next video. So for in this video, for the time being, that's it. Stay connected, and in the last video we will be working on update. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.